Next is letters G through L, starting with the capital G. At the baseline, it's a big line up, loop, curve, big bump, and tail. Big line up, loop, curve, big bump, tail. Lowercase g, starting at the dotted line, bump, up, big loop down, and tail. Bump, up, big loop below that baseline, and tail. Uppercase H, tail, big line down. Now you're going to pick up your pencil back up to this other side, big line down, and then a big loop and a tail. Tail, big line down, pick up your pencil, big line down, loop, tail. Lowercase h, starting at the baseline, big loop up, down, back up, bump, little line down and tail. Big loop up, down, back up, bump, down, tail. Uppercase I, starting at the baseline. It's a big loop up, down, bump, tail, and this tail will go through the I into the next letter when you connect them. Big loop up, down, bump, tail. Lowercase I, starting at the baseline, little line up, down, tail, and make sure you dot it. Little line up, down, tail. Next, uppercase J, starting at the baseline, big loop up, big line down below the baseline, loop, tail. Big loop, little loop, tail. Lowercase j, little line up, loop down, tail, and dot the J. Little line up, loop, tail, and dot. Uppercase K, tail, big line down, pick up your pencil, back up to the other corner, little line diagonal, and then a little line down with the curve. So tail, big line down, pick up your pencil, little line, tail. Lowercase k. Starting at the baseline, big loop up, down, then back up for a loop and a big tail. Big loop up, down, back up, loop, and a big tail. Uppercase L. Starting up here at the top, little loop, big line down, loop, and a big tail. Little loop, big line down, loop, and a big tail. Lowercase l. Starting at the baseline, big loop up, down, tail. Now, even though this is an easier letter, please still take your time. Work on the sizing and the shape. And now you've completed the letters G through L.